Hi there, Gauravi from Happy to Crochet. So this week's stitch tutorial is the bean stitch. It is really beautiful stitch and it is kind of puffed button stitch. It can be used vertical like this or horizontal. Either way. It's definitely a yarn eater, but it creates this beautiful seed sort of texture. It looks really gorgeous and adds lot of texture to your work. So I'm going to use this in my upcoming project, so I thought we would better learn this today. So a bean stitch is a combination of double crochet and a chain stitch. So let's start. Today I will be using Red Heart Super Saver Chunky yarn, and this is five bulky. The recommend hook here is 8 mm. It is 100% acrylic, and the color what I am using is petal pink. And for the hook I am using false M. So let's start with a slip knot. And a chain of any even number. So I'll be making chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I would like to make a base of half double crochet. So I will work 1/2 double crochet into the second chain from the hook. We don't count this as your chain, we start counting from here. So 1, 2, yarn over. I'll work at the back bumps. So this here, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 3 loops. Working in the back loops will give me a very good straight edge at my base. So just work 1/2 double crochet until the end of this row. this is my 2 stitches away. And this is my 1/2 double crochet into the very last stitch. So I have made a foundation row of 1/2 double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to work 1 single crochet into this very first chain space. After working 1 single crochet, I'm going to skip this next chain, and into this chain space I'm going to work 1 bean stitch. To work 1 bean stitch, insert your hook and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops and chain 1. Then we are going to skip this and we are going to work into the next chain space. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, then yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have now 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop. You have now 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 6 and chain 1. So this is your bean stitch. I'll do one more time. Skip this into the next one. Insert your hook, draw up a loop, then yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again yarn over, insert your hook into the same space and pull up a loop. You have now 6. When you have 6, yarn over, pull through all the 6 and chain 1. See? One more time. Skip 1 into this, insert the hook, pull up a loop, then yarn over, insert and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops. One more time. Pull up a loop. Now you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you have 6 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops. And then we'll do chain 1. And into the very last, that chain 2 space, the second chain from the first row, I'm going to work 1 single crochet. So here I started with 1 single crochet and I ended with 1 single crochet. Again repeat the same thing. Chain 1, turn your work into the very first chain space, you work 1 single crochet and then you're going to skip this and you're going to work into this space. You see, you're going to skip this first chain, you're going to work into this chain over here, this space. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into that same space, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops. Again yarn over, insert into the same space, pull up a loop. Now you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Pull through all the 6 loops and chain 1. Again you are going to skip this one and into this chain over this space. You are going to work your bean stitch. Skip the next chain into this chain space over here. You need to work 1 bean stitch. One more time. We are repeating the same thing again and again. And now this is my last. I'm going to work 1 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. So this is how the bean stitch looks after working 2 rows. So this is what we have in our second row, and you are going to work the same thing. Chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet into this chain space. Then you're going to skip this bean stitch. You're going to work into this space, opening space, your next bean stitch. And you are going to continue all the way across, just like this. And I will work these final stitches, and then I will show you what to do when you reach your final stitch in a row. So that's what the bean stitch row should look like. Repeat the same what you did in the previous row all the way as far as you would like the pattern to continue. And that's all about the bean stitch. Thank you very much. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you for joining with me, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I will see you with another stitch tutorial. Until then, goodbye.